Pull them out.
What does it say?
Happy 11th birthday, Braden.
Okay, pull them out.
I wish I were a fish. Ooh.
You wish you were a fish.
Yeah.
Why?
Because fish are awesome.
But they also die. I like to smell birthday candle.
All the smoke goes to Sierra. It's your, what the, that sounds, sparking back to life.
That's why they're called magic candles.
So all the smoke.
We're gonna have smoke alarm going off here in a minute.
This one's still going. I think the guy said, I'm gonna live and I'm gonna die. Okay, that's just creepy.
It's supposed to be that. No, it's incense. You should have gotten out the incense, Dad. Pull them out?
Yeah.
This one's kind of leaking.
All that wax should come up with them when you pull them out.